Hi, Kirk here from Aero Precision. Today we're going to be talking all about our easy takedown and pivot pins. These provide not only an aesthetic upgrade to mil-spec, but also a tactile one. And then for that pivot pin that everyone loves installing, we've included a feature that makes them much easier to install. So traditionally, you usually either have to try and wedge it in there under the pin and probably shoot a couple detents across your garage, or buy a specialty tool to install your pivot pin. On these, we've integrated the tool into the pin, so you don't need to buy any extra tools, and it's very easy to install at home with minimal frustration. So how we're gonna do that is I got one of our lowers here, and you'll notice you have two holes on the pin. These are, one of which is present on like a mil-spec pin. That's for removing the pivot pin. The larger of the two is going to be used as the actual tool to install this pin into the lower. So what we're going to do is we're going to line that larger hole up with the detent channel in your lower receiver. Then we're going to slide our spring into place, just like such. Follow that up with the detent. And then once you have it mocked up like that, we're going to need a push tool. For this, I'm going to be using just a standard 3/32 punch. And then we're going to slide that detent down into place. And then you can give this a little rotate if you want, or if you're quick on the draw, you can slide it out of the way just in the nick of time. So boom. Just like that, we have installed our pivot pin without shooting any detents across the shop. For more information and to shop the entire M4E1 and M4E1 Pro lineup, visit our website at aeroprecisionusa.com.